bubble removal machine. It's not only a bubble removal machine, but also it's air compressor. No noise, no need oil, door easy to control. This is heating button, stop button, automatic button, exhaust switch, gas storage button for inside the air compressor. Pressure table, temperature setting, time setting, pressure safety valve, supply handle, power switch. This is external port. Use it when need air compressor. This is switch of external port. Radiator fan. Let us show you operation step. Set the bubble remove time 10 to 20 minutes. Connect power. Turn on the power switch. Open the bubble remove door. Put the screen inside of bubble remove tank. Close the door. Turn the switch to automatic position. Bubble remove tank start work. Tank door safety valve will exhaustedly. Turn on heating switch. Temperature 40 degrees. It will exhaust automatically after arrive setting time. Now we just waiting the time. After exhaust, the pressure table will decreasing. Safety valve will close automatically. Open the door, take out the string. Check it. No bubbles.